Hi class, in this experiment we're going to be estimating the calorie content of a nut. I'm going to be using a cashew. Some of the materials that we need is a watch glass. I'm pretending this is my watch glass. I have a paper clip. I have soda can and a thermometer. I'm going to be using a straw, pretending it's my thermometer. I have my balance here and a plastic cup that is gonna be my soda can, so just like to weight it and so I don't remove this soda can. What we're gonna be doing first, we're gonna record the mass of the nut, the paper clip, and the watch glass all together, and we're gonna weight it and record the mass. That is 36.1 grams. We're gonna remove this, and what we're gonna do next is that we're gonna weight the empty soda can, and we're gonna record the mass. That it's gonna be 12.7 grams. Next, we're gonna put a little bit of water inside, like half full, and we're gonna weight the water and the can together, and we're gonna record it, and it's gonna be 98.5 grams. Next, we're gonna place our nut and watch glass under the soda can, and we're gonna use our thermometer to measure our initial temperature before the combustion. And it says here it's 24.9 Celsius. We're gonna light up our nut, doing it quickly, and while the combustion is here, we're gonna record our highest temperature. As we can see here, it's 37 Celsius. We're gonna record this, and while it is we're gonna wait until the nut is completely combusted, and we're gonna record the temperature that is 12.1 Celsius here. That's gonna be our the nut completely combusted. After that, when it's finished, we're gonna be weighting everything, the watch glass, the paper clip, and the nut, but at this time it's going to be completely combusted, and we're going to weigh it all together, and the entire contents, it's going to be, well, it's 35.3 grams, like everything after the combustion. We're gonna go through some calculations together to know the mass of the nut burned. We're gonna be using the 36.1 grams, our first weight, and we're gonna subtract that from the 35.3 grams that is right here, that was after the combustion, and this is gonna be 0.8 grams. To know the mass of the water, we're gonna be using the 98.5 grams. When we weighted the can and the water together, and we're gonna subtract that from the 12.7 grams that is right here, the empty can, to know the mass of the water in grams, and this is gonna be 85.8 grams. And finally, to know the final temperature in Celsius, we're gonna be using our highest temperature during combustion, the 37 Celsius that is right here, and we're gonna subtract that from the 24.9 that it was our initial temperature, and that's gonna be 12.1 Celsius.